On everyone's lips. Understanding this popular English phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood, on everyone's lips. This expression is not only vivid and colorful but also a great example of how English speakers use imagery to convey specific ideas. Stay with us to unlock the meaning and usage of this popular phrase. The phrase, on everyone's lips, is used to describe something that is widely talked about or discussed by a lot of people. When a topic, name, or event is on everyone's lips, it means it's the current subject of popular conversation. This can include anything from the latest news, a trending topic on social media, to a celebrity everyone seems to be talking about. Interestingly, the phrase uses the imagery of people literally speaking about something to highlight its popularity or relevance. While the exact origins of this expression are hard to pinpoint, it beautifully illustrates the way English speakers use body parts metaphorically to describe abstract concepts. In this case, the lips represent the act of speaking or discussing something extensively. Using on everyone's lips correctly can add a layer of sophistication to your English. Here are a few examples. After the stunning finale, the show's twist ending was on everyone's lips. The new tech innovation is on everyone's lips. Everyone seems to be talking about it. Her groundbreaking research has been on everyone's lips in the scientific community. Notice how the phrase is often used to describe topics of high interest or significant impact. English is rich with similar expressions that convey the idea of widespread discussion or popularity. Some of these include the talk of the town and buzzword. While each phrase has its nuances, they all revolve around the concept of being widely discussed or known. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, on everyone's lips. We hope this video has not only expanded your vocabulary but also your understanding of how English speakers use imagery and language to express complex ideas. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. See you in our next video.